Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of November. And first of all, national news. Padharo Mhare Desh to Swagatam, PM's diversity pitch, Lotus logo for G20 in India. This is not an era of war, S. Jaishankar after talk in Russia. It works to India's advantage, S. Jaishankar on buying Russian oil. Puppet of center, three southern state governments clashed with governors. High Court allowed cops to probe KCR's party's allegations of poaching. CBI raids at 7 locations in Jammu and Kashmir police recruitment case. Himachal Chief Minister met family of India's first voter, Shyam Negi. EWS quota, Tamil Nadu government convened meeting of legislature parties to discuss next course of action. Kerala Chief Minister wrote to PM as 16 Indian sailors detained in Africa. Every village in northeast India to have 4G network by December 2023. Center. Karnataka cabinet expansion after Gujarat polls, hence Basavaraj Bommai. Indian American professor Pavitra Prabhakar received Amazon Research Award to study evolving machine learning. Center granted 265 DNB postgraduate medical seats to Jammu and Kashmir. Tuition fee must be affordable. Education not a business. Supreme Court. Geospatial technology, digital data collection to be used for next census, Ministry of Home Affairs said. Layer of smoke over Delhi as air quality remains in very poor category. PM Modi visited LK Advani on birthday. He said, role in building BJP unparalleled. Now, international news. Ukraine's Zelensky urged unwavering unity in US until peace restored. Ukraine reaffirmed tough stance on talk with Russia. And China warned Taiwan against external collusion over Lithuania chip plan. India got advice from US on buying oil from Russia. UN warned of critical food shortage in crisis hit Sri Lanka. Despite US midterm polls, Biden to stick to climate goals, John Kerry. US votes with Joe Biden agenda at stake, Donald Trump in wings. Flaming basketball from sky destroyed US home. Authorities investigate if it was a meteorite. Russia-US discussed first nuclear talks since Ukraine war, a report said. Donald Trump said he'll make a very big announcement next week. 4.5 magnitude earthquake jolts Nepal, second in a month. Biden called on Americans to protect democracy on eve of US midterms. And now some sports news. Injury scare for Rohit Sharma during practice, resumed training ahead of T20 World Cup semi-final, a report said. Mithali Raj kept options open for women's IPL, player or mentor or even owing team. Lewis Hamilton named honorary citizen of Brazil. Iga Swiatek finished number 1 despite Masters disappointment. And Caroline Garcia donned Ariana Sabalenka to seal WTA Finals victory. FIH Pro League, we can avoid getting cards, Harmanpreet Singh. Lakshya Sen reached career best 6th in BWF rankings. Asian Boxing Championships, Lavlina Borgohain, Shiva Thapa to lead India's gold medal charge. Pankaj Advani made world snooker knockouts. And now news related to business. Center not to impose anti-dumping duty on Chinese metal cutter wheels. India will gain from price cap on Russian oil, US Treasury Secretary. SBFC Finance files papers for Rs 1,600 crore IPO. Bank stocks regain charm as investors flock to SBI, Bank of Baroda shares. State-owned oil companies post Q2 loss of Rs 2,749 crore. Paytm net loss widened to rupees 594 crore in Q2. Oil prices steady as supply worries offset recession fears. MRF Limited misses Q2 profit estimates as input cost weigh. News related to science and technology. Vikram S rocket launch window announced. India's first private rocket set to launch between November 12 and 16. Changing sleep patterns affect teenagers' brain development. A study said. NASA's Hubble telescope shared image of galaxies connected 200 million years away. And third-hand smoke accumulated on clothes and hair may trigger skin disease. Our study claims. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 9th November in New Delhi will reach to 28 degrees Celsius at daytime and it will drop to 19 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.